Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a very interesting program. We'll be making a paint editor in Scratch. Just like in Paintbrush, you're able to draw freehand drawings. Same way we'll be drawing freehand drawings in Scratch. So for drawing we need a brush. We don't need cat sprite. So first of all we'll delete cat sprite. We don't need cat over here. Now we need a brush to draw. So click on new sprite, paint editor, paint you will click. We'll have to draw a sprite which we'll be using as brush. We'll take black color. Take circle, draw a small circle. This circle we'll be using as brush. Now click on code to write the script for this brush. We need this brush to go along with our cursor. So our first command will be from the motion block, go to. See, here it is go to random position, and there are two options over here, random position or mouse pointer. So we'll click on mouse pointer, and this we will put in a forever block. Go to control and we'll put it in the forever block. From the events we'll put when green flag clicked. Now just see what will happen if we click on green flag. Now wherever our mouse is moving, the sprite will also move. I'll click on red color stop to stop this. And I don't want this black dot to appear again and again. So first of all, see, for drawing anything on the screen we need pen commands. Pen block we need, and pen block we don't have here, so we'll click on add extension. From add extension we'll click on pen. Pen commands are here. Now these pen commands we'll use for drawing on the screen. Now before we start the program, in the beginning only, from the looks menu we'll choose the command hide, and we'll hide our sprite so that we are not able to see this black color dot again and again. As soon as the program starts, the sprite will be there, but it will be hidden. We won't be able to see, and the mouse will move wherever we want to move. Now for drawing with different colors, we need to create few variables. So we'll go to variable menu. Total 4 variables we'll be making. Make a variable. First variable is color. Okay. Second variable, brightness. Okay. Now the third variable, saturation. These 3 variables we need to adjust to get any color in Scratch. In Scratch, whenever you choose a color, the 3 variables need to be changed: color, brightness and saturation. Their values depend, all the 3 values depend, all the 3 values decide that which color are you selecting. Now one more variable we need, that is pen size. Pen size will decide the thickness of the pen, whether you want to draw with a thin pen or with a thick pen. Now all the 4 variables we'll adjust on the screen. and with each variable we'll put a slider. Right click on the variable and choose the last option, slider. Same way for all variables you can put a slider. Using these sliders you can change the values of the variable, and colors can also be changed. Now next we'll use pen commands to set the color of the pen for our sprite. So we need set pen color, this command 3 times, as we need to adjust 3 variables: color, brightness and saturation. First one is color, second one we'll make brightness, third one we'll make saturation. So their values will come from the variable. Whatever value we adjust through the slider, that value should be given to the sprite. So brightness will go to the brightness, set pen brightness to brightness, color to color, and saturation to saturation. Now pen size also we need to set, so that is also in pen commands only. Set pen size to, the command is 1, but here we'll change it to pen size. Whatever pen size we decide through the slider, that pen size will be given. Now right now, when we click on the green flag, the cursor moves on the screen but nothing is drawn. For drawing we need to put the pen down. So what will we do? We'll choose from the control blocks, we'll choose if then command, if then else, if from the sensing mouse down. If our mouse is down, if we press the left button of the mouse down, then from the pen block, pen down, and if it is not down, else pen up. Now just see what will happen. If we click on green flag, we can move the mouse on the screen, but if I press the left button of the mouse down, the cursor starts drawing. As soon as I leave the mouse button, it will not draw. I can change the color of the pen using these values. See, different colors will come. Further I can change the brightness. See, different colors are coming. The program is still not complete. We need to add few more things over here. Second is we need to erase everything. See, wherever we have done this scribbling type of things, we need to clear the screen. So for that we need one more variable, one more sprite. We'll click on new sprite, click on paint, we'll create one more variable using paint to erase everything from the screen. So we'll choose circle, take black color or any light color you can take. Gray is okay. We'll make an oval. In this oval we'll use the text tool. Text we'll write with black color. Erase all. Now we'll shift this text in the center. That's fine. Now the sprite size is quite big, so we'll just make it small, maybe 50. 50 is very small. We can make it 60. Yes, that's fine. We'll put it on the corner. Now we'll write code for this sprite, that is when this sprite is clicked. Even from events we'll take when this sprite clicked. From pen block, erase all. See what will happen as soon as we click this sprite, everything will be erased. But here we need to add one more command, wait until, so that sometimes when we click on any other sprite or as soon as we start drawing, the impression will come. To avoid that, go to sensing, we'll take mouse down, from operators, not, wait until, not mouse down, and then erase all once again. Anything you draw on this scratch screen, as soon as you click on erase all, everything will be erased. Still the program is not over. One more thing is left, that is we are able to select the color from these sliders, but we are not able to see which color we have selected by the time we start drawing. So we need a sprite which will show us, as soon as we choose the sliders, we move the sliders, the sprite will show us that which color are we selecting. So one more sprite we'll have to draw. Go to paint, again we'll make a circle. We can take white color, sorry, brightness we have to change. We will make a circle, small circle. We'll make it transparent. Outline we can take black, outline of the circle, black, and size we can do 2 or 3, that's fine. Let's see, this much is fine. Now we'll just, again this sprite size is big, so we'll make it small. 50 is enough. Yes. Now we'll move it on the side. Wait, red stop we'll have to do, then only, otherwise the line will keep coming. We'll put it on the slide. In this circle we'll be able to see which color are we selecting, but first we'll have to write code for this circle also. So from events, when green flag clicked, forever, go to control block, forever, repeat forever, set pen size to 30. This pen size we are putting 30 so that we can see what color we are selecting. This pen size will show us what color we are selecting. Pen down, and then set pen color command 3 times to set all the 3 variables, that is color, brightness and saturation. The 3 variables I am repeating again, the 3 variables color, saturation and brightness, all the 3 together, they decide which color are we selecting. Their values will come from the variable block. Brightness will go to brightness, color will go to color, and saturation will go to saturation. Now I think we can try now. The program is complete. We can make it big screen, erase all to clear everything. See, right now the color we have selected we can see in this circle. If we change the brightness or the color or the saturation, the color will also change in the circle. Now we can see which color are we using. This is green color, so we can start making. From pen size we can change the thickness of the pen also. As soon as we click on the green flag, our cursor, when we move the cursor by pressing the mouse down, it will start drawing. We can change the color and like this. In Scratch also we can draw freehand drawing just like we draw in paintbrush. It is all to clear everything. I hope children you'll enjoy this program. So everybody please do it, and you'll love this program, drawing like paintbrush in Scratch. Thank you.